On 27 September last month, the Tibetan Center for Human Rights and Democracy reported 5 suicide cases of Tibetans in 3 days as a result of China's zero-COVID policy. This grave news came from Tibet after a more than a month of strict lockdown announcement made by the Chinese authorities on 8 August. The announcement came after 22 COVID-positive cases in Lhasa and Ngari cities in the so-called Tibetan Autonomous Region was reported. Hundreds of infected and non-infected Tibetans were locked up together in quarantine facilities with no medical care, unhygienic food, and extremely poor living conditions for weeks. In today's episode, let's talk about the zero-COVID policy of the Chinese government, which China claims have succeeded, but in reality has brought tragedy for many, including the Tibetans.
Tanda the remni tsangtak ki siji ani zero covid policy ti jidang yana gi man koran so ta jik tanda toy remni ki kani ngongo chini yakshu ke kap ji ya gonje ji ora dinang lo ki koran so she de ta pat jik tindi remni chongwa na pat tsangma tsangja me su ge ngani tin siju di dogora jida di gani ta kandar pha tiwe na mi mongbu ji ti nimbo ro sur ko re yenele lagling ga gan bru kabla 오늘 장신기 베트 라랭가니 카르투바 메조지 티 라랭카르기 가니 메망기 조알이야 딱 구메기 도바마 보스토데 둥루다 세상 티 가니 따지 갈라오다 프랙티컬 차요 말해서 저라 네 딜레도 지 통고도 티 시주티 그런 가니
때 수주때 가르쳐 인지민 담아족세데 된신인 강으로 되면서 지트 가르레스는 토만 내용도 토만 준도 자나 우한당 도서 가네 아래다 자치 참을 강한 트렌드 자나한테 쇼지가서 쇼지가는 잠을엔 참아 총훈다 저다고 자도도 자나 안도 저다다 총훈고 자토아래 까때도 시진핑 수로 되는데 그 무스기 고지체와 당 주거체와 인세와당 되거든요 자나 그 주소를 그 용당 주소를 로당데 잠을에 자카신바도 만라와 미세기 체추다 미세기 누바된 도요 바지 그 지지 쇼지는 나와라 남차도 따때 그 코랑게 스주당 코랑게 차시지 차도 다단 잠을에 참아 강아세도 야나노 밑에 우치 자고야테 가세테 노데와당 만디와 몰린체나 콩고마 보셔시에 되와데 동바당 다다 강아체다는 하파르다 초친 예술을 해ren가 코랑 가세 노트라든지 조아 레스는 클린 제와 있나 코랑 차시 카테 두속 베줬다네 코랑 오고 지야 라자 차로 대중 그 밑에도 우치자 맞아 런제 차대요.
단다 먼저 로메 통당 못했니 개체주지 마저랑한테 차대거라. 제가 아니 집 마저랑한테 인지민지 미 동바 tunje ma keche shegwa yo marko talam ki tato juni shebe nare zomi glam ni shege nare sheglam ni shege nare khande ne ko julam minda mambo yorwa ta benang la chinda gebe che gelia ani neyam themba seta chewa tam chi gu tagarang le ya koran sugi boran jo chandri shongli khan se ti ki pat tambo tato ki ani ji mi gi samchu ponya ti tamra je de keche ji yo so ra chini kinda go chi gu tagarang la goro konzo ki 아니 돈지 시jen게 딘디 용접 고접 단제 달람니 간주문지 셰바이나 가디나 돈덱 찬인 지기 인사야 되디르 다나싱 답디 젤이야 미모부지라 톡탄 뱅긴 라고다 인주 지멘칸알 미모부 아니 데세메와 강인 채와다 멘칸 칼라쪼 요와 강이 치요와 의니스 셰바이나 근데도 톡탄 뱅게rel라니 아니 코란조기 아니 주송제 미모부 슈지 주송제 벤체견 치 진데 고와기 아니 다와지마 도와라 아니 해서직보니 미 the dunja last to say and it totan bewata chilolia kanjuma joa tendegi and minto ni jusong cheba yin and tendi the dalam ki major rawo de la thamra shu chembu chi chiang do ti na tan rowa me totan gunen da hajangi ani ji nyenchap chembu cha de ora dana cheta tanda ji zero covid policy siju darang horo ji rowa me totan da tamra che siju ji yembati siju korang udeni ja ji 각도 아니
The outcry over this policy caught the world's attention in April this year when the financial city of China, Shanghai, was put under 2 months strict lockdown. people were literally seen screaming through the windows of buildings out of hunger and frustration over ill treatment of the Chinese government. Upon comparing the situation of Shanghai and Lhasa, experts say in Shanghai, the Chinese people can speak about the injustices and biases in the treatment out loud, and the Chinese government cannot call them separatists or anti-national. The government will try to help solve the problem or ignore their want. In case of Tibet, it's opposite. Nima Wese, a researcher from Tibetan Center for Human Rights and Democracy, says the same policy implemented in both the places, but the biggest difference is the surveillance and the restriction on the information flow outside the Tibetan city to the rest of the world. What happened in Shanghai was covered in news worldwide and the world paid attention, but not in the case of Tibet.
When we talk about the zero COVID strategy, we don't think that it's sustainable considering the behavior of the virus now and what we anticipate in the future.
제단 디기 내단 디벳 라와 차데 수르가 칸레야 칼라기 내단 야나 야고 메와다 장다기 내단 야나 야고 메와다 맨주다 데데 튼지 하전 시엠부요 디 상하이라 내단 데데 종요 마레 제단 베나로 내단 데 내얌게 내단 지고 레멘도 다 내얌 레장 락터 제비 주름 그톨이야 아니 지 종기 눈주 마부치 종한데 다 내자 프랑스에 문인 제버라 데데 눈주 마부 종데야 디 상하이단 두르와네 벨리야 뱃다지 자라체도 차데도 개와 제주도.
On 17 September, during the 11th press conference on the condition of the pandemic, Mr. Dadul, the vice mayor of Lhasa municipality, apologized for the failure to meet the needs of the masses during the lockdown. He said his government was ineffective, unable to combat, and have mishandled the crisis. But apparently on the next day, the Lhasa Public Police issued an announcement that basically threatened the public of reaching out on internet in spreading the COVID situation in the city by calling them rumors and warned the people of punishment in accordance with the Chinese law.
Tenzu mongbuchi konzu nyusong chewa ta tenzu mongbuchi bet danda pewa na dandara naksub tanga da nguni tani konzu semti ni gonda shugu na mimangki suzu dedu shugu yorwa da nyenga tenzu yume la madu ba suzu dedu shugu yorwa tenzu ani yalen chegwa ta tenzu ani chig jisong chegwa ta tenzu ki nangdo la taje ani chig dedu setup chegu gore ma to konzu bet khataya me ju suya da konzu jenun che di ani gange setup yang ta tsawa ni chayo ma.
The Kasha of the Central Tibetan Administration based in Dharamshala on 26 September released a press statement calling China's zero-COVID policy a mismanaged policy that endangers Tibetan lives in Tibet, which is causing more harm than the good. In the statement, Kasha says it is imperative that the government respect the rights of the Tibetan people under its international obligations and ensures that they are treated with respect and have access to adequate medical facilities and basic necessities under its zero-COVID policy.
With this COVID policy inside Tibet, the problem is that the local administration was under pressure. It seems like they were under pressure from the central government, so from Beijing. So therefore, they couldn't do it well. They couldn't perform it well. They couldn't help the local community or the Tibetan communities to curb the outbreak. And in fact, because of that, there were outbursts from the Tibetan people, and which led to some suicides also in the recent past. So therefore, the Kashak see it very disturbing also. And Kashak has full solidarity with Tibetan people inside Tibet for their health care, for their well-being. And therefore, we have, through the press statement, we approached the Chinese government that if there's any kind of facilities which we could provide from exile, we'll be happy to do so.
Penchashana Penalola Nasa chapter that Teringi Ninja Napju Nani Asumji lived the water. Tinala Kuransugi Shongundani, Neba Pages Sumton Shiton Chikitan Shigur Tele, Inele Karanyarkan Quarantine Center Laya, Mim Boomchik, don't buy the Mim Boomchik any meeting nga thakchi khonju tön chares ta konang chu ani quarantine center ni ma leres ta thituk cham tandong na la de shimbarwa chena de ya domba na mimbum chik thasam tin chi ne ani dinal kala local khan ya thitu gore ta dinal la bat yongdar ta local khan la na sa yongkin da mengin ni ga ani chi nyaga chikba ga ya sha sha yo ata mi mongbu chi khala wala na ta nga chu naya guk de bu so ra tu se uni dagarang re ta pen cha jana kheran la ne tak thum me be ne le nima takbar re soda chi ne dawa chi ring ga la nima sunju chorang gi tak chi ne chora na sa thum me ne le an chora pe local khan la chi chawi je la ribe ne ba mo bu yo za na sa thun ro ya do da ta de ki chi 라가 지단간이 강에 체 마고야 뭐부지 태용다 제가 데리지 간다 아니 미 뭐부지 우뚝 탑세지 소소랑시자야 내가 이제 총디 거래
It is very important for the Tibetans inside Tibet to be calm, to be hygienic, to take care of their own health, and also to help others who are suffering. It is not just about the health, but also about the well-being, the livelihood of the people inside Tibet. Because of the COVID outbreak, there were lots of stories of sufferings and torments. So therefore, fellow Tibetans inside Tibet, they should help each other. They should maintain cordial relations within Tibetans and build up a kind of a better society with the best of their health.